We have this one more. In either way, we also have the Ghost. In reverse, we have this one. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na meron tao sa paligid na micro mentality attitude. With the Ghost in reverse, itong tao na to, pinipilit niya na i-ghost ka or iwasan ka ng mga tao. At ginagawa niya to para wala kang ma-achieve with the more in either way. Yung iba naman sa kanila, balak nilang kopyahin kung ano man ang ginagawa mo. You also have the 3 here. And we also have missing you. So, balak nilang kopyahin yung ginagawa mo para hindi mamiss ang tao kung ano man ang ginagawa mo na venture. Okay, para may karibal ka sa iyong produkto or pwede rin sa iyong trabaho. So, we also have the love here. So, I feel here, okay, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na yung difference ng produkto ninyo or pwede rin ng channel kung ano man yan is love. Okay? Hindi mapapantayan ng copycat yung effort mo, yung pagmamahal mo sa ginagawa mo. Yun yung gusto ipaalam sa'yo ng Panginoon. Kung may mga ngopya man ng iyong gawa, huwag kang masyadong paapekto. Isipin mo na iba pa rin yung gawa mo versus sa gawa ng ibang tao. And remember that those things are unique. Okay? And yun nga, pagpatuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo. But with regards to this reading, God is just informing us that there is certain people in our lives that is bullying us and trying to bring us down. But God really wants us to be faithful, okay? And continue your work. And remember to remain loving and caring and calm despite of all that happened in your life. And anyway, that's it guys. And God bless all of you.